Okay. Bootstrap icon library. Some bootstrap icons, cloud, plus, messages, and like. Style, bootstrap icon size and color. Go back to code. I have already declared one paragraph some bootstrap icon and icon I whose class is a glyphicon cloud. Okay, and another is a glyphicon remove, and this is for users, envelope for messages, and glyphicon thumbs up. Okay, and some are style bootstrap icon. I have declared size and color also for that icon. Okay, glyphicon cloud, font size, put 8 pixel and color is white. You can change it. Mid yellow and save it. Go back to report. Refresh. Cloud. So you have to learn by heart glyphicon cloud, then declare style, font size 20 pixel and color. You can also declare color. So here is the link section for accessible bootstrap online. Okay. Bootstrap's 3.317 and we are for backline. Title is bootstrap icon.